Hello everyone to this crafty session, and today we are going to play with lot of the clay and we are going to create different patterns, different looks that will be so fascinating and full of fun. So let's begin with our first one. Here I'm going to show you how I can create this butterfly look. For this you may require some of the tools like the fork, knife, etc. Let's shift our attention towards our another project. Here I'm going to show you in just few easy simple steps. You can create this cute little frog. This activity is very simple. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. Be careful while you're making use of the scissors so that you don't get hurt. And then you just have to place some of the beads that are black in color, and these will represent the eyes of this bird. Using the comb I'm adding the patterns. Let's shift our attention towards our another project. Here I am taking the dough and I am just rolling it down from both different opposite sides, and once I am done with it I have to create some of the patterns. For this I am taking the help of the spoon. Using these chopsticks just squeeze them together and with the help of the hand give them more perfect look. Let's shift our attention towards our another project. Here we are going to show you how we can create this fish type of the look using few easy simple steps. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. I guess 10th class students will also be able to create this type of the activities. Be careful while you are making some of the fins. It will look so nice and pretty at the end. Let's move our attention towards our another project. Here first you have to make the three chapatis and you just have to fold them together. In between you just have to place some of the dates. You can repeat the process for the other two chapatis also. Squeeze them together using the chopstick. Then at the center I am going to more beautify it from this circular dough and making use of the comb and the knife so that I will convert them into some beautiful easy simple patterns that will look more and more elegant and will add more beauty to our flower thing. This looks so nice and good. Let's move towards our next project. Here I'm taking the dough, I'm making a rope out of it, and see how I'm just placing it in a zigzag manner. Then in between I'm just placing these dates. These will represent some of the loops. Squeeze them together using the chopsticks. Now create some of the strips again with the help of the clay and make use of your hands and the knife together and in a simultaneous manner. Just roll it over this date and you are going to place it at the center. It will represent the circular pattern. This activity is again very simple and it's very easy also. Let's now move our attention towards our another project. First I am making this big giant size chapati. Then you just have to make some of the cuts as apparent on your screens. Then you just have to fold it, and once you're done with folding you have to place some of the dates in between. These will represent the petals of this flower. Then the three smaller chapatis are taken. We are going to add some patterns using the comb. In between I am making the cuts. Just place them one after the another as apparent on your screen. Once you are done with this you just have to roll them together. In between you just have to place another piece of the bead, then just place it at the center. This looks so perfect and nice. Thank you for watching.